Now correlative conjunctions. Quickly we will go through this because this is not the big topic. Very simple. Definition is correlative conjunction are not single word. Like previous we did, like but, after, unless, before. It's not shows the single word, but correlative conjunction consists of two words. Okay, यहाँ पर अब two words एक साथ में आते हैं, single single नहीं आते हैं. For example, neither nor, either or. You can say neither nor, either or. Okay, you can spell in any one way. Now let's see the definition. Correlative conjunction joins independent clause at the same level. क्या करता है वो? इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को सेम लेवल पे ज्वाइन करने का काम करता है. दे आर यूज इन अ पेयर, और हमेशा पेयर में यूज होते हैं, एक वर्ड यूज नहीं होता है. ओके, ये आपको याद रखना है. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. इट इज नॉट यूज इन अ सिंगल पर्पस, इन अ सिंगल मैनर. ऑलवेज दे आर इन अ वर्ड्स, इन अ ग्रुप. So the most commonly used conjunction are, which are they? Yes, either or you can say either or, neither nor. Third one is not only but, and the last one is but also, and the last one is both and. Now let's see one by one. Here the first one is either or, neither nor, both and the last one is not only but also. We will understand with the help of the example all these. So the first one is both and. Both my cousins and my best friend like ice cream. Okay, both my cousin and my best friend. Here two things are there, my cousin and best friend. So how we will join the sentence? By using both with and. So both my cousin and my best friend like, दोनों को क्या पसंद है? आइसक्रीम पसंद है. So second condition is with whether or. Okay, this is not given in your textbook, but it is also a part of correlative conjunction जो relate करते हैं. So whether you stay or go is your decision. Okay, whether you go, या आप जाते हैं या आप stay करते हैं, it's depend on your decision. In that condition we use whether or. Just as and so. Just as my Canadian loves hockey, so may Italians love soccer. Okay, here is just as and so conjunction used to relate these two sentences. Next one, either or. You either cook or clean the house. या तो आप कुक करिए या फिर क्या करिए? हाउस को क्लीन करिए. These are the two conditions. You have to do one of these. So either cook or clean the house. The next one is not only, and opposite to that, but also. Not only is she beautiful, but she is intelligent also. वो सिर्फ beautiful ही नहीं है, साथ साथ में intelligent भी है. So here we use conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, not only in the beginning of the sentence, and in between we use but and also. The last one, neither nor, or you can say neither nor. Neither the basket team nor the football team is doing well. दोनों में से कोई भी अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है. So here the negative sense is there. In that we used the correlative conjunctions neither and nor. We already did all these. Okay, I am just explaining the meaning in Hindi language, and with the examples you do by yourself, because no need to explain the examples. I am explaining the meaning, so you will able to understood the examples. After means के बाद, as soon as means जैसे ही, as long as means जब तक. Okay, just read out the examples with that. Before means as you all know पहले. Until means जब तक. Until means तक. Since means जब से. Okay, जब से बारिश हो रही थी. Then when means जब. Whenever means जब कभी. And while means जब तक. Why I am giving you this? Why I am providing you this? So you will understand in a better sense. Okay, आपको अच्छे से समझ आए कि exact meaning क्या है. So you will able to write the sentence by your own. I hope you got each and every concept that I taught in today's class, and hope you will remember this for further also. So the last PPT, that is although, though and even though. All these three means हालांकि in हिंदी. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि हालांकि ऐसे था तो ऐसे हुआ, हालांकि मुझे जाना नहीं था पर मुझे जाना पड़ा. So in that condition we use all these although, though and even though. But the formal is of although. हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा although का use करते हैं. And the meaning is very simple. हालांकि. Two instructions are notes are given. Just read it out because I already explained you. Although is more formal than though. Okay, I explained you. The second one is even though, put stronger emphasis. Even though एक stronger emphasis put करता है या उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फोकस करता है. Even though जब हम कब यूज़ करते हैं, जब ज़्यादा फोकस हमें करना हो, जब strong condition हो. Between the two clauses it connects as compared to though and although की जगह पर हम even though एक stronger emphasis को show करने के लिए use करते हैं and contrast between the two clauses as it connect. So thank you all of you and have a nice time. We will meet you again in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home.